All right, let's add your first trade. Scroll down, and you'll see the Futures Trading Journal table. As you can tell, it's made up of several tabs. So, let's break it down with a quick example of how this works. You can also use this table, but let's make it even easier by clicking on the New Trade button at the top left. The moment you click it, the system creates your first trade and takes you straight to that trade's page. Now we can also use the categories here, but let's go with the easy route. Just select the template that matches the type of trade you're making. In this case, we're choosing futures. The date is automatically added, and now we can move on to selecting your variables from the relations section below. When you pick futures from the account relation, you'll notice the name changes automatically above. That's the system assigning an ID to the page. From there, you can continue adding the rest of your relations one by one. Once that's done, let's fill in the details of the trade in the table below. Now, you'll see the risk and aimed R data updated automatically as well. If you've got any external data related to the trade, like images, URLs, or files, you can add them here too. And don't forget the notes section. Whether you prefer the table or the area below, it's all about what works best for you. Lastly, we can also track whether you stuck to the setup rules you defined earlier. Just check the tab on the right. The rules will update automatically based on the setup you selected above. And once you fill them out, you'll get a percentage score. That's it. Your trade's now in the table, ready to go.